looks.
No, boom.
Come on.
This is a, what is this?
No poke Ivy.
No poke? Okay, no poke.
No. Come on, Daddy.
Ivy, watch out.
Are you ready to see what's going to happen? Don't touch. Get back. Hot. Back. Scoot back. Scoot your butt back.
No, I don't want to.
But Ivy, danger, fire.
Scoot back.
Fire, scary.
Okay,
Danger.
fine. I guess we'll have to go this way. You ready?
No.
Don't
watch.
touch, okay?
Don't
Watch.
touch it, okay? It's a snake.
Watch.
Hot.
Don't touch. But watch it. What's happening?
Happening.
Don't touch it. Oh, it's like a little rat turd. Rat poopy, poopy bananas. Poopy. It's ash.
Ass.
Here.
Fire.
Magic covered snakes. We should do chew it a time now. Oh no.
Bye now.
What do you think?
Bye.
What do you think of that?
How long does it take until we can touch it?
I don't have a clue.
How about I just touch and find out?
Nope. So they're supposed to be colored. They don't appear to be very colored to me.
Probably because they're dead.
Come on.
Ivy, look!
Oh yes, it's the moon.
The moon.
Look, snaky, fun! Hey, don't touch.
Hot.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh,
That's hot.
Dad,
I
touch.
had to die.
Yeah, it's hot.
You gotta go with the opposite way of the wind. The way of the wind?
All right, cadet.
That?
Damn it.
You keep going the way of the wind.
Damn it.
Hey.
No! Dusties! Dust! No, this
No
is...
snake for us.
No, snake, come back!
Snake.
I'm
A
gonna-
bad snake.
It's not dirty anymore.
Snake. A bad snake.
Snake. Why is it light?
Snake could have been a
Is it a dud?
And
Could there be snake duds? What? Danger!
There we go. There's a snake.
He's growing. Closer, Dad.
And it'll catch it eventually.
Oh?
See, there it goes. It's catching.
Oh, maybe. Oh, that's no fun. You're no fun. That snake's no fun. Oh, no.
Wow.
Snake no fun. I'll drop like a drop bomb. Drop bomb.
Hey, what happened?
Touchy. Remember, dangerous. You can touch this though. No.
Hey,
Dexter, stop.
pet snake. A pet snake.
Should we make something go up in the air?
You can make it go up in the air.
Huh?
You can make it fly?
Ivy, should we make something go up in the air?
How?
We have one thing.
What happened?
We do have one big firework.
But there's a dog.
I know. This is the dud that we found last year. Remember? Ivy, over here.
Yeah.
This side. Over here. This is the dud that we found last year. In the back, actually, right over here.
Fly.
It's called a
Guy.
space flyer. Cool. Up, as it says. Should we light it?
Wait for the first to go past. We're doing something illegal.
Huh, come over here.
Come on.
Come over here, Ivy.
There's no cars.
It's okay. So
Ivy,
this-
you want to watch Fly? How high does it go?
I don't know, but you can try to record it.
Okay, here you go. Put those under it.
These are not supposed to be.
Ivy, no.
Stay with your brother.
No. We're watching firework, remember? Look at the firework. Yes, no, but a firework.
Stay with your brother. Okay?
Hold him by his hand. Isn't it cool? Look at the firework, Ivy. What's happening? Whoa, what's it doing? Watch it, Ivy. It's a dud, isn't it?
It did.
Is it a dud?
It did.
No, it's not.
Oh, it was.
How was that?
Watch out, smoke! Dodge the smoke.
That was pretty cool. That was sitting on the shelf for an entire year in front of the icons. Dexter, don't touch that. As you can see, we are now fine. After yelling and screaming and everything else, she is 100% okay now. Are you okay, Ivy? Hey, no running. Let's not run no more, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Should we do another firework?
This one.
Should we do another firework and calm down?
I fell down.
You fell down. Are you okay?
Fell down.
I see you. What hurts? Are you? Anything hurts?
What are you doing? No. Danger.
Come over here.
Danger.
Danger.
What should we do
It's
next?
the Danger Rangers.
How's your hands feel? Your hands feel okay?
Snakes.
Sick.
Should we do another snake?
We should do all the snakes at once.
Another big bang.
Where is it?
Here. Hey,
I am responsible.
stand over here next to brother, okay? And don't move, okay?
Ground.
Stand right there and don't move, okay?
Okay.
Meet Ivy. Yeah, really sure. Oh, firework.
I'm not sure what this is.
That's a smoke bomb.
Okay.
That's a smoke bomb. Here you go.
A smoke bomb.
You can actually.
I wasn't sure if it was a crackle bomb or a smoke bomb. Hey, hey, hey.
Don't run, neighbor. Wow. That
Wow, that was it.
That was way better than ours.
I got ready.
Ivy, look, puff, puff, puff.
Puff, puff, puff.
Yeah, look, it's not a dud.
Wow, I look at that smoke coming out. What do you think of that? Look,
A weekend.
what's happening?
What's happening?
Friendship.
That's quick. Oh my God! Whoa.
Whoa. It's summoning a demon. Demon summon. Summoning a demon. Demon.
Dexter, stop.
Amen. Amen.
That's pretty impressive.
Amen.
Very.
Abby.
Even more impressive when it's coming out of sparkle. You gonna keep going?
It didn't get funny.
Why does it keep going?
I don't know.
Okay.
Again?
Smoke. How much smoke is there in there? It looks like a forest fire now.
It does.
Thank you.
Forest fire.
I keep thinking.
All right, put that back in the bag and let's go walk over here and see what exactly this thing is. Give me your hand, Ivy.
It's not done yet.
I know.
Where are you going? What? I kind of want to take this, go through this.
What is that thing, Ivy? Is it gonna explode, do you think?
Yeah.
If it exploded right now, like a bunch would come out.
I wonder what it's made out of. I'm just recording us doing fireworks. I'm like, oh cool, something to record. What is it exactly?
How long is it taking?
Almost 3 minutes.
Huh?
Almost 3 minutes.
I don't know how long the fireworks be going.
It's still going.
Still going.
What's it made out of?
3 different things. My nephew made it.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
What would happen if you were?
I would hate to live in that
Well,
direction.
there's stuff that, you know,
It is flowers.
but there was 3 ingredients.
That's pretty awesome. I mean, the aftermath over there is that's hilarious. All the smoke over there.
Oh,
Can't see.
It's like it's all foggy over there. That's hilarious. Come on, Ivy, let's go walk over here. Oh my God. Right.
baby,
Fog.
baby,
Wow.
I want to go see.
Right, no more, Dexter.
baby,
Look at that.
Oh, it's almost done.
It's still going.
But it's almost done.
I'm done.
It goes for like a minute.
Yeah. Oh, is it finally done?
I wouldn't touch that thing. That's funny.
What would happen if you were to explode?
I'm done.
All done.